In this lesson, we cover comparison operators, the symbols Python uses to compare two values and tell you whether something is true or false. A comparison operator takes two values, compares them, and hands back either true or false. That Boolean result is what lets your program make decisions. Think of a weighing scale. You put a value on each side, and the scale gives you one clear verdict. Python's comparison operators work exactly like that. One question, one answer. We start by storing two numbers. Score is 85 and passing is 60. These are the two values we will compare throughout the example. Line 4 asks, is score is equal to passing? Line 5 asks, is score not equal to passing? Each print will show true or false. Lines 6 through 8 use the ordering operators, greater than, less than, and greater than or equal to. They compare the size of two values. Line 9 is a chained comparison. It checks that score is greater than 1 and less than 100 in a single expression. Python supports this naturally. Here is the output. 85 is equal to 60 is false. 85 is not equal to 60 is true. 85 is greater than 60 is true. The chain check also passes, so the last line is true. 3 things to take away. Use double equals to test equality. Use the angle brackets for ordering. And remember, you can chain two comparisons together in one clean expression.